A square into 0 to pi by 2 cos power 4t dt. So here we have formula. What is the formula? Integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power m theta d theta formula is m minus 1 by m. So m minus 1 by m means 3 by 4. Again reduce, m minus 3 means 1 by 2. If you are getting 1 by 2, this value is pi by 2. 4 getting cancelled. So what is the value of this one? 3 pi a square by 4, which is the answer of this problem. Now we are going through the polar form region integration. So here region integration means, already I said that the strip values. So here, like the problems we are doing here. So here write a problem. Evaluate double integral smaller sin theta into dr d theta over the region chordoid r is equal a into 1 minus cos theta about the initial line. So here, what is the main concept? If you know the value of this one, if you know the limits of r and theta, integration will go over. But before going through that, we have to calculate the limits. For that, we have to sketch this diagram. So how we are sketching this diagram? See this, r limits, theta limits. So here, for our convenient purpose, theta r. So here, this one. So theta r. What is the curve equation? This is the curve equation. If theta is 0, then what is the value of this one? Cos 0, 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. So value 0. So theta 0 means this is theta 0. Next, this one is theta is equal pi by 2. Write theta as pi by 2. What is the value of pi by 2? Pi by 2 value is, substitute pi by 2. Cos 90, 0. 1 minus 0, 1. So r value is 3. So theta 0, r value 0. Theta a, r value. So theta pi by 2, r value a. Coming to this one, theta pi. Cos 180 minus 1. Minus of minus plus 1. So value is 2. So this value is 2. Coming to the next one, 3 pi by 2. So cos 3 pi by 2. 3 by 2 means 270. 180 plus 90. Cos 180 plus 90 value is second quadrant minus cos 90 value is 0. So value 0. This value is 8. Next, remaining one is 2 pi. R value 2, theta value 2 pi. Cos 2 pi value is what? What is the value of cos 2 pi? 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. So R value 0. So here 0 to 2 pi rotation means one rotation will go over. One rotation. So theta 0 means R value 0. So this is the point. Next, theta 90 means R value 8. So this is the point. Next, theta pi means R value. This is 2a. So this is not, this is the a and this is 2a. Next, this is a. Again 0. If you are observing this condition, theta 0 comma 0 2 and this one pi by 2 comma a. Next, pi 2 2a. Next, 3 pi by 2 a. Next, 2 pi 2 0. Again you will go through the 0. So this is the origin point. This is 0 comma a. This is 0 comma a and this is 2 pi. This is a comma pi by 2. This is this one is 2a comma pi and this one is 3 pi by 2 comma a. So this is the required diagram. In this diagram we are calculating the limits of r and theta. So here the limits of r and theta. Here he mentioned that about the initial line. So about the initial line means above the curve. So we are not taking this curve. So we are not taking below the curve, because of that this is the initial line. So we are taking only this one. In this region we have to calculate. In this region, what is the strip of this? This is the strip of this. So radius. So I am taking radius strip. So here, what is the radius of this one? 0. So starting with radius 0, ending along the curve. Along the curve, what is the value of R? A. So R changes from 0 to A into 1 minus cos theta. Coming to the theta. So here, what is the value of theta? 0. And here, curve coming to from this place to this one. So that means here it is stopping. So what are the limits of theta? 0 to pi. So in this region, R strip value is, what is the R strip? This is the R strip. So this R strip value is, here radius 0, here radius. From the curve equation, radius is A into 1 minus cos theta, and theta varies from theta here 0 and here theta is pi. So theta varies from 0 to pi. So this is the required region of the integration. In this integral, in this region we have to evaluate the value of this one. Now consider that integral, double integral of sin theta into dr d theta, which is equal to, theta limits are 0 to pi. One limits are constants, another limits is in terms of other terms. 0 to A into 1 minus cos theta into small r sin theta into, these are r limits, dr d theta, which is equal to 0 to pi. First, with respect to r means sin theta treated as constant. R integration is r square by 2. Limits are 0 to A into 1 minus cos theta d theta, which is equal to, write this to outside, integral 0 to pi sin theta, upper limit value A square 1 minus cos theta whole square into lower limit 0 into d theta. This is the value of the integration. Now which is equal to, this A square also outside, A square by 2, 0 to pi 1 minus cos theta whole square into sin theta d theta. Now if you are observing this is of the form f of x whole power n into f dash x. So what is the formula of f of x whole power n into f dash of x? So here I am writing the formula, integral f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx formula can be written as f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So this is the formula. By using this formula, I will evaluate the value of this one. So this is the function f of theta. What is the derivative of this one? One derivative 0. Cos theta derivative minus sin theta. Minus 1 minus plus sin theta. The derivative is here. So this is of the form f of theta into, and this is of the form f of theta, and this one is f dash of theta. So what is power n? N value is 2. So use that formula here. What is the formula? F of x whole power n into f dash of x dx is equal f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So use that formula here. So what is the value I will get here? Which is equal to a square by 2 1 minus cos theta whole power n plus 1 by means 3 by 3, and the limits are 0 to pi. So write this 3 also outside. A square by 3 2s are 6, and here upper limit cos 180 minus 1 minus of minus plus 1. So this one is 2 cube. Lower limit cos 0 1 1 minus 1 0, which is equal a square by 6 into 8. 2 3 times 2 4 times, which is equal to 4a square by 3. So this is the very important model. Here in this concept, what we done? We evaluated the limits of r and theta for this diagram. So first you have to sketch this diagram, then only you know what is the structure of the given diagram, given cardioid. This is called cardioid equation. If it is 1 plus cos theta, then our curve changes as in this format. What is that one? So like this it will be changes. So this is the problem corresponding to the r is equal a into 1 plus cos theta. If the given curve is r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta, then our curve changes into this format. So in this form we are doing one more problem. So evaluate, here I am going through the one more problem. Evaluate double integral r cube dr d theta over the area included between the circles r is equal to 2 sin theta and r is equal 4 sin theta. Between the circles r is equal to sin theta and r is equal 4 sin theta. And here also, if you know the limits of r and theta, this integration we will get very easily. For this we have to know the circle equation. For this we have to know this circle equation, this circle figure, this diagram, how we will get this diagram. So same. So whatever I done in previous problem, same like this problem. So if theta is 0, then what is the value of r? 0. So this is the point. If theta is pi by 2, what is the value of r? 2. So this is the point. If theta is pi, what is the value of r? 0. So this is the problem. So here the circle is upward circle. This is r is equal to 2 sin theta. If I written r is equal to 4 sin theta, I will get this one. So what is the reason for this? This is the common region. So these two circles above the initial line, and in this region I want the limits of r and theta, and here draw the draw the strip. So this is radius strip. So in the strip, what is the value of r here? What is the value of r here? So what is the value of r is here? 2 sin theta. So r varies from 2 sin theta to, what is the value of here? So r is equal to 4 sin theta. So inner circle is 2 sin theta, upper circle is r is equal to 4 sin theta. So the limits of r are 2 sin theta to 4 sin theta. So the strip limits I calculated. Now theta limits. What are the limits of theta? Theta varies from 0 to pi. So theta varies from 0 to pi only. So you have to take these integrations for the evaluation of that one. Double integral r cube dr d theta is equal 0 to pi 2 sin theta into 4 sin theta small r cube dr d theta. First make with respect to r integration 0 to pi r cube integration r power 4 by 4, and limits are 2 sin theta to 4 sin theta. Write this 4 outside, 1 by 4. Upper limit. What is the upper limit? 4 sin theta. 4 sin theta whole power 4. What is the 4 sin theta whole power 4? 256 sin power 4 theta. And here this integration 0 to pi minus 2 power 4. What is the 2 power 4? 16. So 16 sin power 4 theta d theta, which is equal to 1 by 4. What is the common in these two? Sin power 4. 256 minus 16, 240. Write that 240 outside. Integral 0 to pi sin power 4 theta d theta, which is equal to 4. How many times getting cancelled? 60 into integral 0 to pi sin power 4. Sin power 4 is an even function. Then 0 to pi can be written as 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 4 theta d theta, which is equal 62s are 120 into, which is of the form sine power m theta d theta. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power m theta d theta formula is m minus 1 by m minus 3 by m minus 2 up to 1 by 2 into pi by 2. What is the cancellation zone? 4, how many times getting 30 times? 2 15 times. 15 3s are 45. So total value is 45 by 2, which is the answer of this problem. Like this, we have to evaluate the region integration by sketching the diagrams. Now we are going through the one more problem. Evaluate double integral r by under root of a square plus r square dr d theta over the loop of the Leniskate. Only one loop of this Leniskate. R square is equal a square into cos 2 theta. Only one loop. So for that purpose, here if you are observing, first we have to sketch this diagram. So for sketching of this diagram, here there is a small variation, and here this is r is equal to 0, theta is equal to 0, and this is theta is equal to pi by 2, and this one is theta is equal to 0. In between, theta is equal to pi by 2, theta is equal to pi by 4. What is another line? This is the line. What is this line? Theta is equal to pi by 4. And this one is theta is equal to minus pi by 2 or plus pi by 2. So 3 pi by 2. And in between these two, another line is, and this is the another line. What is this one? Theta is equal minus pi by 4. So first I am sketching this diagram. Say this everyone. Theta is equal to 0 means cos 0 1. Cos square, r square is equal to a square means r is equal to plus r minus a. That means plus a comma 0 is 1 point, minus a comma 0 is another point. Next, theta pi by 4. Cos theta value pi by 4 means 2 times getting cancelled. Cos 90 value is 0. So r value is 0. So center point is 0 comma 0. After that, if you are writing theta is equal to pi by 2, cos 180 value minus 1. So complex roots are existing. So here there is no roots. There is no point. Coming to this one, and this line is theta is equal minus pi by 4 or 3 pi by 4. Minus pi by 4 means if you are substituting cos of minus theta is cos theta. So to cos 91, r square is equal plus r minus a comma 0. So every time you are getting either plus a comma 0 or minus a comma 0 and 0 comma 0. That means loops are in between these two. So first r is equal to a comma 0. Next r is equal to a. Again coming to this side. Again going to this. So in this we have to calculate only one loop. So I will calculate only this loop value. This region. So in this region, what is value of theta? Theta varies from minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4. And coming to the r. So r starting from this curve, ending also this curve. So r square is equal to a square cos theta. Then what is value of r? R is equal to plus r minus a into under root of cos theta. And here this one can be written as, sorry, r value is r always starting with 0 and ending with r square is equal to a square cos theta. R is equal to a into under root of cos theta. Because of that, r does not having negative value. Radius always starting with 0, and that's why r lower limit is 0. Ending with the Leniskate. What is the Leniskate? R square is equal to a square cos 2 theta. From this, what is the value of r? A into under root of cos 2 theta. If you know the limits, integration will be very easy. So double integral small r by under root of a square plus r square into dr d theta, which is equal to integral theta limits. What are the limits of theta? Minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 into another integration 0 to a into under root of cos 2 theta into small r by under root of a square plus r square into, and these are the r limits dr d. First I am making integration with respect to r, after that I will make with respect to theta integration. Already this is square root. Already I said one of the formula related to this one, which is of the form f dash x by f of x, square root f of x. See this, a square, constant derivative 0, r square derivative 2r. So 2r means numerator always having 2r. So there is no 2. In that way, multiply this one with 2 and divide this one with 2. Then this is of the form integral f dash x. What is the formula for the corresponding to this? So here I am writing the formula corresponding to that. What is the formula of that one? Integral f dash x by square root f of x dx is equal to root f of x. This is the formula corresponding to that. So use that formula here. Then what is the value of this one? 1 by 2 integral minus pi by 4 to pi by 4. Integration is 2 into root f of x, a square plus r square, and the limits are 0 to a into under root of cos 2 theta into d theta. So here f dash x by f or root f of x formula I used. This one is 2 root f of x and the limits are 0 to a into under root of cos 2 theta. Now substitute in place of r upper limit as well as lower limit. Then what is the value of this one? See this, and here 2 getting cancelled. And what is the remaining? Integral minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 under root of a square plus r value is a root cos 2 theta, which is nothing but a square cos 2 theta. This is upper limit minus lower limit. Theta value, r value 0. So which is nothing but under root of r square, under root of a square value is a into d theta. Which one can be written as? So here say this one. Upper limit a root cos 2 theta. In place of r write a root cos 2 theta, which is nothing but square, a square cos 2 theta, minus lower limit 0, under root of a square value is a. 2 already got cancelled. So what is remaining? This is the remaining. Now simplify this one. These two terms having common square root a square, take out that one common a square, square root of a square becomes as a. So what is this one? Which is equal to integral minus pi by 4 to pi by 4. And this one, a is the common, a into under root of 1 plus cos 2 theta minus a into d theta, which is equal to these two terms having common a, take out that one outside, minus pi by 4 to pi by 4. What is the remaining? Under root of 1 plus cos 2 theta minus 1 d theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta. What is the formula of 1 plus cos 2 theta? Already you know the formula of 1 plus cos 2 theta from the formula cos 2 theta. What is the formula of cos 2 theta? Cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1 means from this, what is the formula of this minus 1 goes to that side? 1 plus cos 2 theta changes as 2 cos square theta. Use this formula instead of 1 plus cos 2 theta. Then this one changes as a integral minus pi by 4 to pi by 4. This one is 2 cos square theta, which is nothing but under root cos theta minus 1 into d theta. And if you are observing this one in theta, which is an even function, so if you are replacing theta as minus theta, this function does not changes. So don't write this one, directly integrate this one. Because of that, these are not minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. So this one changes as, which is equal to a into root 2 cos theta integration sin theta 1 integration theta minus pi by 4 to pi by 4, which is equal to first upper limit under root 2 sin 45 1 by root 2 minus pi by 4 minus lower limit. What is the lower limit? Lower limit is minus pi by 4. root 2 into minus 1 by root 2 minus of minus pi by 4, which is equal to a into 1 minus pi by 4, minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus. Then this one changes as, which is equal plus 1 plus 1, 2a minus pi by 4 plus pi by 4 getting cancelled. The answer is 2a. And here, if there is any sign change, once observe that. Here, see this, minus into minus plus, plus into minus, this one is minus. So, minus pi by 4, minus pi by 4, minus 2 pi by 4. It will not cancel. It will not cancel. 1 minus pi by 4. And this one is also pi by 4. And which is equal to, both terms having common 2, then what is remaining? A minus pi by 2. Because of the, a minus pi by 4. Which is the result of the given problem. And if you are observing this, and here, so small change, here a is also common thing, because of that a is the common for all. So a into 2 minus 2 pi by 4, then this one is 2a into 1 minus pi by 4, which is the result of the equation. With this, polar form problems are completed. Now we will go through the change of variables in the next session. Thank you.